What's up guys, so this is going to be a short video to show you how to load your cards into your Uno attack. And you can see our Uno attack here comes in a box like this. We just bought this new in 2022. There are some older versions of the Uno attack out there, and those probably load the cards in the same way as well. So after you've unboxed your Uno attack and ran out to buy the batteries for it, which aren't included, this thing uses C batteries. Who has those? You may have some confusion in terms of how to load the cards. So you pop open this thing. You see the cards can kind of fit this way or this way, but either way you put them, they don't shoot out. And so the issue here is there's just this little holder thing that you need to lift up. So lift up this thing, then stick your cards in, drop this down, and then you're good. So now you can attack away. Here's the device in action. Hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.